As a direct replacement of the M325D LMH for scrap or mill yard operation, we're excited to present the new MH3040. Based on the next generation excavator platform, this 40 metric ton material handler is built with proven components, lower the fuel consumption, lower the maintenance costs. I turn over now to Matt, who's going to go into more details. Matt, it's all yours.
Thanks, Vincent. The MH3040 delivers the durability and reliability you can count on by utilizing proven Caterpillar components and structures. Let's take a closer look. Boom, stick, and other high-stress areas are reinforced with thick, multi-plate fabrications, castings, and forgings to ensure quality and reliability. The MH3040 delivers the numbers by being able to operate up to a 2-yard orange peel grapple and scrap and over 7,000 pounds of wood in mill yard applications. Utilizing the same boom and stick from the M325 DLMH, the MH3040 can be transported with the stick attached. An optional 20K solid-state generator expands capabilities and provides power for a magnet. Swing speed has improved by 12%, providing faster cycle times. An industry-tested wheeled undercarriage balances mobility and stability in the toughest applications. The MH3040 keeps more money in your pocket by offering up to 25% lower fuel consumption with its fuel-efficient Cat C7.1 engine and electro-hydraulic valves. Standard auto-reversing electric fans eliminate parasitic loads on the engine and keep cores clean without interrupting work. Selectable power modes allow you to match your machine to the job. Smart mode automatically adjusts engine and hydraulic power to working conditions to save fuel. Power mode constantly provides maximum productivity. The MH3040 extends savings by offering up to 20% lower maintenance costs. Electro-hydraulic controls eliminate the need for pilot lines and filters, drastically reducing the number of hydraulic hoses and fittings. The new hydraulic oil filter provides improved filtration performance and longer filter life. The MH3040 cab sets a new standard for the industry. It has been completely redesigned to enhance comfort, optimize visibility, and ensure safe operation. The first thing you'll notice when entering the cab is the tip-up left console. This design makes it easier to enter and exit. A lot of thought went into the layout of this cab. Controls are intuitively placed so they're in front of you. There's no need to reach behind to adjust a radio or over to the right-hand side to adjust your climate control. This cab has an automatic climate control system that can be run through the monitor and also has a heated and ventilated seat so it keeps you comfortable all shift long. Looking out the front, you'll notice that the steering wheel has been removed. Standard joystick steering improves front visibility, increases cab entrance width, and provides more room for your legs. The joysticks on this MH3040 are programmable. With a few simple clicks on the screen, an operator can customize the joysticks per their operating preference. Operator ID saves their preferences. The heart of this cab is the 10-inch touchscreen monitor. It displays vital machine health information as well as feeds from the standard rear view and right-hand side view cameras, allowing for safer machine operation. Well, there you have it. That's the MH3040.
Thank you, Matt. That was very good information. Together with a range of Caterpillar work tools and grappers, the MH3040 is a reliable, efficient, and productive solution for your yard. Call on your Caterpillar dealer rep right away for more information.